I got some meter accessories. These 6 on the yellow piece of paper are Silverstone Avionics probes. These are like custom ones you can make. They have just unterminated wires. These are the piercing probes. You compare it to the original Fluke one. It's a little smaller. And this is what the Fluke alligator clips look like, and then the Silverstone Avionics ones are like this. And this stuff's all 4mm banana plug. So we could, say you wanted to extend this amp clamp, you could do it like that or whatnot.